Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful, simple slope landscape. This is perfect drawing for beginners, so grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First we will start by drawing the slope. Begin with a gentle curved line from one side of your paper to the other. This line will represent the hill in our landscape. Next, add a few more lines parallel to the first one to create a sense of depth. These lines should be spaced unevenly to give a natural look to our slope. Now let's add some trees on the hill. Draw simple tree trunks using straight lines and then add oval shapes on top for the tree canopies. Vary the sizes and shapes of the trees to make the landscape more interesting. For the grass, draw short vertical lines along the slope. This will give the impression of a lush grassy hill. To add more detail, let's draw a winding path. Start with a narrow line at the top of the slope and widen it as it comes down. This will create a sense of perspective and lead the viewer's eye through the drawing. Now let's add a fence along the path. Draw small vertical lines for the fence post and connect them with horizontal lines for the rails. This detail adds a charming touch to our landscape. To finish the background, draw a few fluffy clouds in the sky. Use rounded overlapping shapes to create a soft cloud-like appearance. Once you are happy with your sketch, go over your lines with a dark pencil or paper. This will make your drawing stand out and add depth. And there you have it, a simple but beautiful slope landscape. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more drawing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.